Hello Bobcats! Today we'll be going through the steps to set up the opt-in feature. If you want to learn how to receive important updates from Connect, this is the video you need to watch. Before we get started, remember to follow us on social media for very important updates. What is the purpose of the opt-in feature? The primary purpose of the opt-in feature is so students can opt into their desired channels and never miss an important notice. Let's get into it. How would I add in the opt-in feature? First, sign into MyEC Merced Connect portal. Then click on the profile silhouette, which is at the top right corner. Second step, click on the message tab. After clicking on the message tab, you will be able to see the opt-in channels within the gray banner. Now, choose any of the channels that are offered, which you would like to receive notifications from. Keep in mind, by selecting the Students First Center, you will be getting notices from the following offices: Financial Aid, Admissions, Registrar, and Billing. Once you have selected your preferred channels, they will appear on the front page of the opt-in section. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact the Students First Center at 209-228-7178. Have a great day. Thank you.